Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about what's the name of this emoji and where it is used. Okay, so let's get started. The name of this emoji is round pushpin, and it is used for indicating a specific location, a point of interest on map, or to pin something important or noteworthy. Okay, you can understand this emoji for an example like our meeting point is here, and then hit this emoji, or I will mark the new restaurant on the map and then point and then hit this emoji. Okay, it can also be used for signify a pinpoint accuracy or fixed a spot. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you find this video as an informative video for you, then please hit a like button. Thank you.